The importance of vocational training is that our education currently, it is in the sense that if you are from a well-off community or well-off family background, you are more likely to get to a quality education where you go to private education, where you have a private or a better quality as per the public education. And I think vocational training is that avenue where you can be socially more moved from those that are those that are not well informed, or not actually those that are socially below the social structure, can be integrated by, of course, getting into vocational training activities. So it is also a modality to ensure that we are socially mobile or moved into the level of taking part or included in our social structure.